In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your apps on Android smartphone. By setting app lock, you'll be able to control on who can access this app using a PIN. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to lock some apps on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and just set up an app lock. To do this, just go to settings and then from settings, go to apps. And here is apps. Now under this, you should see we have an option for app lock. Now go ahead and this will take you to app lock page where you have to turn it on if you don't have any app lock turned on. So I'll tap on it and here you'll have to set your pattern or your PIN. So I'll do it and then I'll confirm again. And now I'll tap on add and here we'll have these apps that I can use my app lock on. So choose all the apps that you want by selecting them. For instance, if I only want to add app lock on my Instagram account, so I'll unselect the others and just select Instagram, then tap on use app lock. And this, I'm told here I need to add my fingerprints first. So I'll go ahead and add my fingerprints or a PIN to do this. So I'll go ahead and set my PIN and then add fingerprints. So for your case, if you had already security on your phone, then it should be much easy because that's all you are needed to do. You can also add face recognition if you want, but for my case, I don't want to add that. I've set now my app lock here, and each time I want to use this app or Instagram, I'll have to use any of the security measures that I put, either pattern or PIN or even fingerprints, to be able to access this. So let me now try and access Instagram app. Here it is. If I tap on it, I'll have to go ahead and unlock by fingerprints or use password. And here we go. I'm now in my Instagram page. I can now log in. So that's how you can set an app lock on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.